Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the tree planters at treeplanters.com. I'm at Lake Eola Park on Lake Eola in downtown Orlando, taking videos of looks and things that interest me that I can put on my website, and this is one of them. This is a gigantic grand live oak. This tree is probably a couple of 100 years old. I'm not willing to cut the tree off so I can count the rings, so we're not actually going to know how old it is. But I just wanted to show you what this tree does when it is not a genetically modified live oak tree, which are so common in the Florida tree industry because trees get planted everywhere and they don't want the trees to break off and damage anything. So this is the old tree that comes from an acorn. These are the natural live oaks. You see them off in cow pastures with the magnificent 80-foot limb spreads and cows standing under them. This is what this is. You see these limbs reach down to the ground, and this tree is easily 80 feet wide. These types of live oaks are extremely difficult to come by. But if this is a kind of live oak that you like and you want one planted in your yard, just give us a call and we'll make it happen for you.